morning student, this is Kiran Patil, your SST teacher. Today I am going to share some important information about SST subject. Most of the people feel that SST is very difficult subject, but I don't think that SST is difficult subject. It is scoring subject. If you study properly, so definitely you will score there more and more marks there in the exam. There are some important points which are mentioned to you here. If you keep all these points in your mind, so it will be very easy for you to score more and more marks there in the exam. First point, take an interest and read the lesson properly. Dear student, if you take an interest in SST subject and read the lesson properly, so automatically you will score there more and more marks. Taking an interest in this subject is the key to score more and more marks there in the exam. Second point, highlight or underline the points. So whenever you read the chapter, highlight the important points, underline the important point. So it will be very easy for you to revise the chapter. So whenever your exam comes, so you don't need to go through the whole lesson. You just need to keep all these points in your mind. You need to just go through all the points. Third important point, don't think SST as a useless subject. Most of the people feel that SST is useless subject because they want to go for the science stream. So that's why they are having an attitude SST will not be useful for us in 11th standard, 12th standards and further study. But I think that SST is very useful subject from the point of view of MPSC exam, UPSC exam, because most of the questions are related with the SST will be asked to you there in such type of exam. So that's why this subject is more important from the point of view of all these competitive exams. So you must have to just keep all these things in your mind. Fourth point, remember important dates. So most of the time in history, we always need to keep all the dates in your mind, because if you put all the dates in your mind and if you use the same dates while writing the answers, so definitely you will score there more marks in the exam. So that's why you need to keep all the dates in your mind. Second important point, discussion of topics among your friends. Dear students, if you want to study properly, if you want to keep all the events and the incidences in your mind, so you need to discuss all these things with your friends. If you discuss all these points or the various types of lessons with your friends, so automatically you will score more and more marks. Why? Because you remember all these things. You remember the things whatever we listen from the others. So that's why it is the key to get more marks there in the exam. Point number 6, divide long answer in points. If you feel that this is long answer and if that long answer is not possible for you to memorize it, so you need to divide the long answer into small points. So definitely you will be able to write down the answer of the questions. So this is the thing which is given to you here. Next point, watch and listen all the videos carefully. If you watch and listen all the videos carefully about the particular lesson, so you will score there more marks. As dear student, as you know that we all the teachers of Podas have been sharing various types of videos with you. If you watch all the videos, if you listen all the videos very carefully, so definitely you will score more and more marks there in the exam. Point number 8, read all the PPTs carefully. As you know that whatever the chapters we have finished, I have already shared various types of PPTs about the particular chapter. So if you go through all the PPTs, if you read all the PPTs, so definitely your doubts will be clear there and you will not face any problems while writing the answer. Point number 9, solve worksheet and practice of maps. Dear student, as you know that we have been sharing various types of worksheets with you. If you go through all the worksheet and try to solve all this worksheet, so definitely you will score more and more marks, because most of the questions have been asked you there from the worksheet. So it is one one of the key to score their more and more marks in the exam. Next important point, at least one question that is specially concerned with the map. If you go through the history books, you will find some of the important names of some places. If you go through the geography subject, so you will find some of the important oceans, some of the important regions, and if you look at all these important points, or if you look at all these important names in the map, so definitely you will get their marks in the exam, because in exam such type of questions will be asked you there, and you need to just look at the particular place. So this is the information which is given to you here about point number 9. Now we have to see the point number 10. Write all the answers in your own language. So it is mandatory for you. You have to use your own language. If you write answers in your own language, so definitely it will create a great impact on the mind of the checker, and the checker will think that you have used your own language, and he will just give you marks there with free-handed. Point number 11, continuous devotion and dedication for revisions. Dear student, as you know that in SST subject, devotion and dedication that is required there, but it should be continuous. If you feel that I study this chapter today and I will not have a need to study the same chapters after a few days later, so definitely you will not remember the same chapters in your whole life. If you want to remember anything in your life, so you need to revise the same thing again and again. If you revise the same thing again and again, so it is sure that you will remember the things also, and it will be very easy for you to pen down all these things in exam. So these are the 11 points which are given to you here. Now we have to see the point number 12. It is given here as point number 13. Increase your curiosity for learning. Dear student, curiosity is considered as one of the key for learning. If you are curious, so definitely you will try to find out various things about the particular lesson. You will always think that why this and that thing was happened in the history. So definitely, if such type of curiosity is rejuvenated, so it will be very easy for you to score more and more marks there in the exam. Point number 13, it is given as point number 14. Enhance your vocabulary by using dictionary while studying. So dear students, whenever we study the history, whenever we read history or geography or civics lesson, so you need to use dictionary. You have to use dictionary. If you use dictionary properly, thoroughly, so definitely you will get to know the various words. You will try to understand the various words, and automatically your vocabulary that will be enhanced there. So the same vocabulary you will use there while writing the paper. So automatically your vocabulary will be increased there. If it happens, so definitely it will be very easy for you to score more and more marks there in the exam. So these are near about 13 points. These points if you keep in your mind, so definitely, or it is 100% sure that you will score there more and more marks there in the exam. I hope that you will follow all these things in your life and try to get more and more marks in the exam. Try to get interest in SST subject so that you will not face any problems in your life. Thank you very much.